So I wanted to go over showing you how to generate a link to your documents. So I'm in payments. If you go to the left side of the menu here, you go to payments and then you go to documents and contracts and you're in your templates. If you click on one of your documents here and then you click on publish document, this screen will pop up where it says get public document link. So all you would need to do is click on the blue generate links button to generate a link for this public document. And then here is your link that'll be generated specifically for this document. So all you need to do is copy it and you can send it to whomever you need to send it to. You can also attach it to any of your forms or email templates or any of your messages that you send out, any form of communication that you send out. You can also do that there. You can do that outside of here as well too. So there's your link if you need it. Now, another area that I want to show you that where this actually will post once it's established as being published. Um, Once you copy your link, let's say we've copied it, and then we go back and in the section where you can get to the templates for your documents, this area right here that says public documents. It says public documents here. You can click on this. And then this is where your documents will also be as well too. So if you click on this button right here, the three dots that are vertical, you can also get the same link here as well too.